Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super cool: how to sign into Hulu using your Spotify account in 2025. With the new integrations rolling out, this is a game changer for streaming fans who want seamless access to Hulu's vast library without the hassle of separate logins. Whether you're a music lover bundling services or just looking to save time, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Spotify Premium account and a Hulu subscription. In 2025, Spotify has expanded its partnerships, so if you're eligible for the Hulu bundle through Spotify, you're in luck. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you're on the web, head to Spotify.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Partners or Bundles section. It's usually under the profile icon. Here, you'll see an option for Hulu integration. Click on that, and Spotify will prompt you to link your Hulu account. If you don't have Hulu yet, you might be offered a discounted plan right there. Talk about a win-win. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This typically involves entering your Hulu login details or creating a new account if needed. Spotify will handle the authentication securely, so don't worry about your data. After linking, you can access Hulu directly from the Spotify app or dashboard. Pro tip: if you're using a smart TV or device, make sure it's updated to the latest software to avoid any glitches. If you run into issues, like an error message, double-check your subscriptions on both platforms. Sometimes, a quick logout and login fixes things. And there you have it. That's how you sign into Hulu with Spotify in 2025. This integration not only streamlines your entertainment but also might save you money on bundles. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.